How to use dubbing AI. Hey guys, in this video, I will let you know how to use dubbing AI. So first of all, if you have Android phone and you have dubbing AI application in your phone, click onto that application. This screen will appear. Here you will be able to see different voices. These are absolute free voices for you, and on daily basis you will get today's free voices, and with this you will see a timer. That timer basically indicate that after this time you will be able to see new voices. Apart from that, on this dubbing AI, you will be able to see different voices. Whether it is Apex, Overwatch, Enemy, but a lot of the voices from these sections are in the premium category. And in the bottom, you can see the mic button. When you will click onto this mic button, you will be able to record your voice. After recording your voice, you will also be able to delete it, or you can export it. The export button will show in this corner, the right bottom corner. So in that way, you will be able to use dubbing AI. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.